I'm Chef D and welcome to my home, where today we're going to be making a Bolognese. Now, is it a true classic Bolognese? Not really. We're putting a little bit of Chef D-ism into this and making it simple because we're using amazing Nutrafarms ground beef, and I put a little bit of ground pork in with the ground beef to give it some extra flavor. So we're going to get started here. And how do we get started? We're going to warm up our pan, but we're going to take 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to add some onion. Put it on the food processor about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add in our beef and pork into our pan. We're going to give it a quick stir, just a little bit of salt and pepper, sauteing this off till the meat browns. So we're going to take our onion and garlic mixture, put that in. We're going to stir this together. We're just going to let that go and brown it for about another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to add our tomatoes. So it's been over 4 minutes now, and as you can start seeing, our ground beef and ground pork has browned up nicely, and all the moistures kind of come out of the meat, which is what we're looking for. And now we're going to add in, this would be 2 large cans of tomatoes, and we've pureed it just a little bit more to make it a little bit thinner. In that goes. We're going to stir that in, just to incorporate everything. What we have here in rolling boil is our pasta. We have some rigatoni. We want it to be al dente, so it's that nice little bite to it. Grab our sauce. Oh yeah, look how good that looks. A little bit of the cheese. I'm Chef D. We're in my home creating some amazing recipes. For this recipe and more, check out the link below. Till next time. This is so good. I'm not sure.